Good day, Sir Lee Arcayos. I am Jan Kyle D. Anyura from Section G2D, and my group mates is Mark M. Sarbida, Jacinto Lido, and J.R. Salisi. And we will be tackling about steps to take in case of ship damage and actions to regain stability. In the event of ship damage, immediate action to regain stability include raising the alarm, isolating the damaged compartment by closing watertight doors, assessing the extent of damage, activating the damage control team, controlling flooding with pumps, adjusting ballast to compensate for the water and grease, and if necessary, contacting emergency services while prioritizing the safety of crew and passengers. Always following the ship established damage control plan. Case steps to take. Immediate actions. Raise the alarm. Sound the emergency station's alarm to alert the crew and passengers. Isolate the damage. Close all watertight doors and bulkheads in the vicinity of the damaged area to prevent further flooding. Report to the master. Inform the ship's captain about the location and severity of the damage. Master the damage control team. Assemble the designated crew members to respond to the emergency.
Shipmate!
Captain!
Nandito tayo sa posisyon ng Tagbilaran. May shallow water dito. Monitor mo yan. Para ba dyan, shipmate?
Hi, Captain!
Okay. Shipmate!
Hi, Captain!
Ano to? Ba't hindi mo na monitor yan? Malapit na tayo sa shallow water.
Sorry, Captain.
Dito tayo. Attention all crew. Attention all crew. Attention all crew. This is Master speaking. We have a ground drill exercise. All crew proceed to Master Station. I repeat, all crew proceed to Master Station. Second mate, repeat this message.
Nine, count out.
1.
2. Bridge Master Station. All men accounted for. Ready to proceed the drill.
Okay, shipmate, proceed.
Major Captain. Men, proceed.
2.
Bridge water tank normal. Fuel tank normal. Vacuum tank normal. Bridge Master Station. All tanks is in normal condition. Over.
Okay, shipmate. Good job. Proceed to the Master Station for dismissal.
Then, count out. 1, 2. Bridge Master Station. All men accounted for. Ready for dismissal. Over.
Good job. Thank you for cooperation. All crew dismissed.